Hello student, today we see the difference between meter in, meter out and bleed off circuit. These are the speed control circuit in hydraulic and pneumatic. So what is the difference between meter in, meter out and bleed off circuit? This is a hydraulic circuit. Here this is a power pack. Power pack means this is a hydraulic pump. This pump is run with help of motor. This is a pressure relief valve. These are the 4x2 direction control valve, manual operated 4x2 direction control valve. This is a flow control valve with inbuilt check valve, double acting cylinder. This is a pressure line. In meter in circuit, this flow control valve is placed in pressure side, pressure line, primary line, okay, means inlet of cylinder. So this circuit is called as meter in circuit. In meter out circuit, flow control valve with this inbuilt check valve is placed in out of cylinder, means outlet of cylinder. In this is a secondary line. This is a less pressure line. This is a high pressure line. This is a pressure line. This is a secondary line. In meter out circuit, flow control valve is placed in secondary line. Okay. So, and in bleed off circuit, flow control valve is placed in bypass line. Bleed off means bypass. Okay. So, this is the comparison between meter in circuit, meter out and bleed off. In meter in, this is a flow control valve. This is due to once the fluid is flow, ये अपन मोटर जब चालू करते हैं, ड्यू टू start of motor, this pump take the fluid inside and pressurize the fluid. That pressurized fluid flow through this direction control valve through P to A. Through P to A, that fluid is flow through this flow control valve. And according to our requirement, amount of oil admitted in double acting cylinder, and due to pressure and force, this piston and piston rod extend according to our requirement of speed, means at inlet only flow is controlled. So this circuit is called as meter in for extension. Correct? Means in first position of direction control valve, hydraulic oil, pressurized hydraulic oil flows from P to A. That pressurized oil flow through P to A, that after that flow through this flow control valve. This is a non-return valve, check valve. Oil do not flow through this check valve. Oil should flow through this flow control valve, variable flow control valve. Okay. Once oil flow through this, according to our requirement, we set the flow rate through this FCV. Okay. Then according to our requirement, amount of oil admitted in this linear actuator, double acting cylinder, and due to pressure and force of that hydraulic oil, this piston and piston rod extend slowly. Means speed is controlled in extension. Okay. Now in second position, hydraulic oil, when we press this hand lever, direction control valve goes to second position. Hydraulic oil flows through P to B and A to T. Okay. So in second position, hydraulic oil flows through P to B. P to B, amount of oil. Here there is no control. Okay. So amount of oil admitted in this passage of linear actuator, and this piston and piston rod retract very fastly. Means uncontrolled retraction. There is control in extension. Meter in for extension. Extension, speed of extension, control. Correct? But retraction, uncontrolled. So this is a meter in. Only main difference is this flow control valve is placed in pressure line, primary line. Here flow control valve is placed in secondary line. Okay, at outside of actuator, at outside of double acting cylinder. So in meter out circuit, in first position, hydraulic oil flows through P to A. P to A, oil admitted through this P to A. And whatever oil present to this side, that flow through this flow control valve. We control the amount of oil through this outlet at outside. So this circuit is called as a meter out circuit. Both meter in, meter out and bleed off, all these three circuits are speed control circuit. Okay. Here flow control valve is flow is controlled in bypass line. Okay. So this is a bleed off circuit for extension. Now we see the summary. Speed control circuit, speed of actuator, that may be cylinder or motor. If we use cylinder, that are called as linear actuator. If we use motor, that are called as rotary actuator. Speed of actuator can be controlled using flow control valve, FCV. Varying the rate of flow of oil will vary the speed of actuator. If amount of oil admitted in cylinder increases, the speed of actuator increases. If amount of oil admitted in a cylinder reduces, speed of actuator reduces. Okay. In meter in circuit, rate of flow of oil is controlled at inlet of actuator, means at inside of actuator. That is, oil which is going into the actuator is meter. In meter out circuit, amount of oil admitted, that is control at outlet of actuator. That is, oil which is going out of actuator is meter. In bleed off circuit, the rate of flow of oil is controlled in bypass line leading to the tank, oil reservoir. That is, oil which is bleed off is controlled. So this is the difference between meter in, meter out, bleed off circuit. Okay, thank you.